What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video and I'm gonna do an unboxing. You guys know it, the usual. So, I've already pre-opened it. Maybe not. Alright, so you're going to separate the cards. Try to get more light here. So we have our first card, a KG. Excuse me. And we have a Joe Smith. Another one, like a billionth time. Robert Pack, Clifford Robinson, got a Dion Glover, Mamadou Diaye, I don't know if I pronounced it right. Next, Rod Higgins, Jeff Grayer, foil, I forgot this dude's first name, a Donald foil, yeah, there we go, a Donald foil, Sean Elliott rookie, cool, got a Sean Elliott rookie card. Next is Jamie Feek. Mark O'Leary, Marlon Wiley, Dan Marley, Patrick Lester, Michael Cooper, Tor Brandon. This is a card of Larry Johnson, Will Purdue, Bobby Hurley, Roy Rogers, Rasmussen, Gary Grant, Moses Malone, Stephen Marbury, cool. Byron Russell, Shaq, oh wait a minute, I'm sorry, Jermaine Shaq. He was never a trailblazer. Why would I say Shaq? Jermaine O'Neal. Next one is Eric Snell. Another Joe Smith, my goodness. And a Rick Barry. Prism. Okay, next. Dave Robinson. Bond, Malone. Oh, are you serious? Come on. Jamal Washburn, Lonzo Mourning. Oh, Jay Ryder, Jermaine O'Neal, PJ Brown. George Lynch. Merson. This is, trying to find a name, Malik Rose. Rewind 99. Tim Hardaway. Vinny Del Negro. Byron Scott. Darius Miles. Next is, who is this? Sam Perkins. Alright, and then we got Craig Speedy Claxton. Jerome Kersey. Bill Cartwright. Ricky Pierce. Thurl Bailey. Would be Byron Scott. Elvis Malone. Eric Murdoch. Kevin Wells. AC Green. Carlos Williamson. Chris Smith. Randy Brewer. Thurl Bailey again. Spud. Liddell. Chilcutt. Tierno Davis. Liddell. Wait. Oh, we got a numbered card. This is Inspirations Jerome Beasley. Drafted 33rd, Miami Heat. It is numbered 1017 out of 3000, so high numbers. 2003 draft. Alright, so Stephen Marbury, cool. Got a college card, Stephen Marbury. It's pretty nice. Now I'm curious about this card. You get two doubles in one. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. You have to call in or message on Facebook. Alright, putting these aside. Anything good? Randy Foy, Sam Lambert, Dellenberg, Damian Lillard, action shots, Jason Terry, John Jenkins, nothing good. Okay, next, let's see, we got some of these replacements I received. See what we get here. Say Whiteheads, Rookie Kings. Oh, this is new. I've never seen a cutter like this. Bryce Johnson, unbelievable. Jahlil Okafor and Rudy Gobert. This is a rainbow diffractor. So, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. 21 and 25. Whoa. That's the first time I got a numbered Donruss Optic card. Holy shit. That's awesome. We got a hit. Whoa, first hit for Donruss Optic. That's pretty cool. Alright. Wow, I'm stoked. Iguodala, Alex Rings, Hall Kings, Allen Iverson, and Julius Randle. Not number, but hey, I'm satisfied with that card right there. Alright, next, the last one. Thon Maker. Oh, Jordan Clarkson, Court Kings. Rainbow, let's see, not numbered. Alright, and then we have some mail. Haven't opened this. Mail from sellers. Forgot to open these up. It's a letter. What is this? Ooh, look at that. Paul Gasol, gold base card. It is numbered, but really high numbers, 4 digits. So, 1989 to 2009. Yep. So many of these were made. Alright, I love Pokesol. Let's see what else. This one. So we got another one of these. I don't even know what's in here. I ordered a lot of random cards from eBay, and oh yeah, this is a Matt Barnes. That's a Matt Barnes, my boy Matt Barnes. Got random cards. I like the way these package these. It's pretty cool. Alright, so we got a throwback. Man, this is a heavy ass card. Jersey patch card of Matt Barnes, numbered 104 out of 149. It's pretty sick, pretty dope. Next is one of these Prism ones. Man, they're in great shape. Love it. So this was back with Grizzlies. Also, oh no, wait, this is Magic. Grizzlies. Oh, I got this one already. Now we got a Prestige 2014, 15 season, Clippers, Matt Barnes. A little card, and then we got a Panini Brilliance, Matt Barnes with the Clippers. And another Clippers. This is by Totally Certified. Panini. And we got this one. Prism. Lakers. Clippers. Prism. Different seasons. Any threats, Clippers, Matt Barnes, and this one. I believe, wait. Yeah, I believe there was doubles in this one. I can't remember. Yeah, there was. Yeah, the guy, he had like 2 of these, so. There we go. That's pretty much it. Looks like the only difference with this one is this one's rainbow and this one isn't. It's just regular. So, pretty cool. This one definitely feels heavier though. This one's much more lighter. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't seen the latest video, I went to a back to the sports store, Minneapolis, Minneapolis, Twin Sports, Twin Cities, and got one of these magazines. So you guys don't have any of these magazines, check it out. It's pretty cool, pretty informative. So, thank you for watching the video.